I doing planning a wedding in 90 days? I am so not type A. We are going to do a demo of the official wedding invitation, but I have to send it out literally by tomorrow so that I can at least give guests maybe like a week and a half to RSVP. By the way, this is Yvonne. Hi, Yvonne. Yvonne is going to be helping me out with figuring out what this is going to look like.
Do the tissue paper like so, and then you could put the box in here.
Getting it done. I got this gold stamp. I'm planning on using this little stamp that I had made. It's so cute and it has a little photo and it says my future last name. Okay, I'm really hoping it works out. Me too. So I wanted to use this green tissue paper and then like stamp it on the top, because when they open it they can actually see like a design versus solely looking at like the green tissue. Like right there in the middle. Okay. Oh,
So cute.
that's so cute.
That is cute. Are you just doing one, or are you gonna do multiple?
We'll do one for each like box. They just look like they're
Wait, what's this stamp?
The one she got him. Did you not watch the vlog?
Oh. I did not know. I was just... Whatever.
It's really good. I'm happy we decided on the green
Yeah,
too.
it looks really, really pretty.
Surprisingly better than expected. Wow. Is it picking up? Hopefully. Hopefully you can see that. That looks so good. So we are at Fiancé Chocolate today. I'm gonna try making wedding invites. Let's see if they have what I'm looking for, trying to create.
A more curated feel to it. Currently, we offer these menus in our boxes.
Oh.
It talks a little bit about our chocolate and our full menu. Then we can also include any of your notes or images that you would like to have.
What are like some flavors that you would recommend? So my partner, for context, I kind of want it to be like intentional with our two cultures. So I'm Filipino and he's Vietnamese.
Yes, for a cultural aspect, calamansi is always really popular with our Filipino clients.
Ooh, yum.
To play on that a little bit more, we can do a custom flavor that we don't have in this box right now. How would you feel about made a play on Vietnamese coffee?
Oh, you can do that?
Yeah, absolutely. We can create a flavor that is very reminiscent of that traditional sense of like condensed milk and the Robusta coffee beans.
Yeah.
We'll recreate that whole experience for you in the bond.
That's such a good idea.
We'll stay true to the all natural ingredients, and it's also going to be non-glycemic. So we'll keep true to our methods as well.
I'm about to see my wedding invites for the first time and I'm so nervous and I'm so excited and I'm so nervous. Oh, I hope it turned out well. What am I doing planning a wedding in 90 days? I am so not type A, but at the same time, when I actually get into like the groove of things, I'm almost a little too type A. There's a lot of intention. There was a lot of intention that went into these wedding invites. And I can't even imagine, if you're planning your wedding, this is just the invites.
Why did it take so much work
just to do these dang invites? I'm so excited because there was just so much thought and detail that went into it. And I'm pretty proud. So let's go. Wow, the colors they pick up really nicely.
Thank you.
I want to like examine everything because it's just so
please,
cool. I've been like just thinking about it like the past couple of weeks. I'm like, oh my gosh, I wonder how it's gonna turn out.
Oh my gosh, I've been following you for many years. I know the first time you come here, like I was like, is that her? I was telling Jim too. I was like, I wasn't sure. And honestly, I was like, oh my god. like, you're so beautiful in person. Like,
Oh, thank you.
yeah, it's just like, oh my god, I can't believe it. It's just so crazy.
Oh,
yeah.
it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm a big fan too. This place is
Goodness.
amazing.
No, we really we're so thankful for your support, honestly.
Aw,
like,
oh my
it
gosh.
really means the world to us.
Yeah, this was such a perfect like time to. Cause I was like trying to figure out what am I doing for my wedding invite. I've known Francine since last year though, where we did like a pop up, and then Francine was at the pop up last year.
I was just telling them about the menu too. I was like, I love how it was like this because you guys designed it, and I was like, it's so beautiful. It really works so well with like the story of you and your husband. Like, oh my gosh.
We've really tried. Eventually, you're gonna release this though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you're the first one.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Okay. This is Vietnamese coffee. I'm gonna try it for the first time. He literally just made this flavor specifically for us. As you know, Mr. FashionNica is Vietnamese and he loves Vietnamese coffee, so I thought it was really sweet that he was down to like make a whole new flavor of this chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna try it out.
That's fire.
It's so milky, creamy. Their chocolates are so good. This is the color story. It works so nicely with our Vietnamese Philippine culture. This one's the Vietnamese coffee, banana foster. This one's the mango, and then that's the pineapple calamansi. They really look great. The presentation's so good. Wedding invite secured! You ready? Showing my fiance our wedding invites. Okay. Are you ready?
Why you act like I haven't seen it?
You
Like I
haven't
wasn't
seen
involved
it
in
yet.
this decision making.
Okay, fine. Showing my fiance the final results of our wedding invites.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, are you ready? Close your eyes. Get up closer. Get up closer. Okay. Hold it. Okay.
Oh, it's so cute. It's like dainty.
Right?
You're cordially invited to the wedding of... Oh no, they spelled my name wrong.
I knew you were gonna make a joke like that. So they got these sleeves. They imported it from Italy.
Oh my god, you guys. Imported from Italy.
So annoying.
Paper from Italy. Wow. Duchess. You're cordially invited to the wedding of Duchess.
Of what? Oh, this.
No, it's so vogue. So vogue.
Do you want to look at the actual chocolates?
Mm-hmm.
Da-da-da-da.
Wow. So we got a Vietnamese coffee, banana foster, pineapple calamansi, and then exotic caramel. I want to try this one.
Yeah. So that's the one that he made specifically for us. Do you know what he said?
What?
His uncle, he has a coffee shop in Vietnam. So he took those beans and shipped it straight over, rush ordered it to create these chocolates for us.
Wow.
So these beans are literally, they were in Vietnam like a couple days ago.
Should really check out Fiancé. They do the most for us. Wow, that's good. That's strong.
It is strong, right? He's like, he really wanted to mimic Vietnamese coffee, so that's why he made it like really obvious. Okay,
That's good.
That one's good. You like it? Wait, let's try each one.
All of them?
Yeah, because I bought a bunch more. He had extras, so I'm like, give me all. Give me 20 of them. Wait, is that the TikTok? Anyways.
Give me 14.
Give me 14.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
So this one is the exotic, and this has mango and passion fruit inside.
So these are all sugar free or low sugar?
These are all sugar-free.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Crazy. Okay, here, I'll try this one. Oh, you're gonna love that.
You want some, Lou? I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Sorry.
I can really taste like the mango coming through. Yum.
That's crazy.
These guys are crazy.
Next, we're gonna try the pineapple calamansi.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
It is pineapple calamansi. Oh my god. That is so good.
I think that's my favorite one.
I knew you were gonna say that. These flavors
Hit!
These are such great flavors. We wanted to do 2 fruits and 2 like more chocolatey, more like creamy, indulgent. Okay, are you ready to try the last one? Banana Foster. And then he designed it so that these designs like look like bananas. That's my favorite. It's so good. Oh, I love this one.
It's like a banana bread.
Okay, I'll go to the wedding. Heck yeah.
If you eat these chocolates and you don't come to our wedding, then we're gonna be very sad.
What are you doing? That was a really great taste test. What do you think? What's the vibe? What do you grade this?
Probably like 11.
Same.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Very well executed.
Thank you, baby. It has a little story about like why we decided these specific chocolates, because we wanted it to be Vietnamese and Filipino inspired chocolates, because Mr. FashionNica is Vietnamese, I'm Filipino, and it takes you to the website that he worked on really hard. So there's a little...
It was actually pretty easy too.
Well, don't discredit yourself, babes. And then, yeah, just a whole itinerary. So good job, baby.
Too.
Yay! Executed the invites. Anyways, support small. Francium chocolate.
Let's just not invite anyone. Let's just eat it.
Okay. Let's take over the shipping room right now. Everything is weddingified in this room at the moment. My team helped me out tremendously. So shout out to our fulfillment team, Yvonne, Miguel, Marianne. Thank you so much, so much for helping me already pre-stamp and pre-box and put the tissue paper. Literally, it is gonna save me so much time. Okay, bright and early, we're back at the office and we are gonna be sending out the final remaining invitations right now. Okay, let's get to it. I realized I didn't get to actually show like what we're building. So let's build a wedding invite. Currently, this is the setup. We've built quite a bit of invites. So we're like kind of down to our final few. Okay, I'm taking this tissue paper. And I had this stamp made when I was in Paris. It's this little crest, and it says my future last name, the Chase. And I got this really pretty gold, like sparkly ink from Amazon. So now we have like an assembly line going on. Like it's such a beautiful like sparkly gold. Take one of the chocolates and then put it inside. And I love that it's kind of like a mystery because it's not like there's like a pamphlet or anything on the outside. It's literally just the chocolate box. So to discover the actual RSVP invite, they would have to like inquire inside and open the box itself. So it's kind of like mysterious. That's how they will be receiving it. We're at South Coast right now, and we're gonna be building our registry today, whatever that means. But we're stopping by Cafe Collegium because they actually just opened up a couple weekends ago. Mr. FashionNica is here. This is like the storefront. How cool is this like vintage car? We sell some beautiful shoes, but their aesthetic is so cool. And they opened up this wall, and they basically created a cafe, and I'm excited to try their matcha for the first time. Collegium was at our FashionNica Fest pop-up, so it's cool to see them expanding into a cafe, because maybe someday when we have FashionNica Fest again, they'll be there, but instead of with shoes, they also have a cafe. I don't know, we'll see. We got the strawberry matcha and the banana matcha. Oh, that's good. We just built our first registry. So registry is basically something that you can shop around and maybe someone from your guest list will purchase. It's kind of like a wish list, and then you get to scan. So right now we're scanning around, but I'm gonna follow Mr. FashionNica around because we're gonna go shopping for some cool things for the house. gave us a gift. I'm gonna start looking at like other places that have registries because I think we might be able to get some free stuff. They just gave us some wine glasses. Okay, Mr. FashionNica wants a new cutting board. Can you imagine yourself cutting fruit on this? Wow, that's big. Oh my god, you're red. You're red. I think so. Wait, can we look at bar stools? We need.
Wait, I love those.
Wait.
Can we look at? Do you want a kettle?
Sure. Wait, can I look at this? This bar stool is amazing. This is so us. Please, 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 please.
It's too low.
No, you don't know that. No, look it, look it. It's the same height as like all of these.
No, the one we have at home is this height.
That's exactly the same. It's exactly the same height. It just looks like it's low because there's no backing. This is so us. I beg of you. Please, this is so, I don't even need to look at any others. This is it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check the height. I'm pretty sure it's too low.
Oh my god, he said yes. These are so cute. It's like this rust colored cushion. And then look at this wood grain with these gold bronze little accents. No, 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 no. Well, they have these beautiful vases, big pots. Look how cute these are. This matches our plate. I thought I was gonna sink. We are going to set up our tables and our flowers. I'm excited because we're working with one of my friends, Mad Florist, and by the way, we literally just came back from San Francisco. We landed 10 minutes ago, and thankfully the airport was right next to where we're actually meeting, so we're actually on time still, even if our flight was delayed. Hi! Hello. Is this your new place?
It is.
Wow! It looks like you have already like organized and everything. How long ago did you move in here?
July.
Okay.
We have a studio manager now. Also,
we
you
literally
went to the Super Bowl yesterday.
Girl, we just came back from our flight 10 minutes ago.
Throwing up. Yeah. Maybe
we're
we
all in
should move
agreement.
things over here. This is a 6 foot.
Okay.
So it's kind of similar to how.
So the idea with the fruit is it's a nod to you
Oh.
because you love fruit so much. It's not like a bunch of fruit everywhere. It's just kind of like spread out in certain areas. So it's just like the decor and then have gold and silver. I kind of am leaning towards this now because, and then just doing like small candles, yeah, lower maintenance.
Instead of using so many different variations of florals, I would probably concentrate. That way it looks intentional. It doesn't look like some put a bunch
Right.
of florals in there.
Yeah.
It's a lot more elevated.
We got little goodie bags leaving our florist. Wayne got his fruit,
I got my plums.
your plums, your pears.
Asian pear.
I got a beautiful bouquet of flowers. How do you feel? I kind of feel really good about this.
Yeah, I'm really excited about these plums.
Okay. How do you feel about like getting things done?
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah. Feels like we're really close, like
Yeah,
70%.
The vision coming together.
Are you liking it? Yes.